Target the obvious access points around the home where pests enter or hide and apply Pesti Smart Pest Plan sprays there. Start with vents and pipes because they are direct conduits into wall voids and attics. Spray the exterior vent screen perimeter and the pipe penetrations where caulk cannot reach, using a coarse spray to leave a residual film without soaking insulation. Treat cracks and foundation gaps by tracing the entire crack length with a low-pressure nozzle and then backfilling any visible gaps with exterior-grade sealant to complement the chemistry. Focus on windows and doors by spraying the thresholds, sills, and the lower 72 inches of the surrounding trim where insects tend to crawl, and pay special attention to door frames and the gap under the door by applying product to the strike plate area and along the sweep line. For decks and porches, treat the undersides, support posts, and the joist bays because these create sheltered microhabitats. A targeted cavity spray into joist bays and along ledger boards controls harborage without wasting product on open surfaces. Address garages, crawl spaces, and window wells by applying a band treatment around foundations 2 to 3 feet wide. And in crawl spaces, treat perimeter joists and sill plates while avoiding direct contact with standing water or exposed insulation. Use a systematic approach by working clockwise around the structure, label what treatment you applied and where, and recheck high-traffic entry points every 90 days during peak season or after heavy rain. Homeowners commonly miss treating the lower door frame and under door gap because it is out of sight. A quick spray along the threshold and a sweep adjustment will close that vulnerability. Another frequent issue is overspraying open decking and plants, which wastes product and risks non-target exposure. Concentrate on undersides and structural joints instead. Finally, people often neglect crawl space perimeter joists and sill plates, which are prime harborage. A careful application to those wood to concrete joints stops infestations early. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors for jobs related to pest exclusion and targeted treatments, and we host a discussion community where members exchange real-world tips and before and after experiences. We also help contractors find work by listing projects and enabling direct contact with interested homeowners so both sides can solve entry point problems together.